In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft Java on your Oculus Quest 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a Quest 3 or even a Quest 2, you will be able to play Minecraft Java directly on it. So this method actually doesn't rely on running Minecraft on a PC. Of course, if you want to play Bedrock, that is a much easier method to where you just rename the shortcut, but I'm going to assume that you strictly want to play Java, so follow along. To do this, first you will have to download Mobile VR Station. So on your headset, look for Mobile VR Station and download it. This will be needed because we will need to download an APK where we can find this version of Minecraft developed for the Quest 3. So now on a web browser, go to sidequestvr.com. So open a web browser directly on your Oculus Quest and go to this website. In here, you will have to create an account eventually. If you want to do so, you can choose the option to sign up at the bottom left, or if you prefer, just wait until later, but eventually an account will have to be created. In here, use the search function to look for SideQuest VR, and you will be able to find it here. So essentially, we're going to be loading this tool directly into the Quest 3. So look for SideQuest in the search function and choose this option here. Scroll down and you will find a download link for the APK hosted on GitHub. Choose this link and you will find it here, apprelease.apk. So this is essentially the same way that you install an application on any smartphone. So now open Mobile VR Wizard, go through the configuration wizard, and under Android fixes, you will find the option to open files. If you choose this, you will see all of the files loaded onto your Quest 3 storage, including the APK. Usually, it is going to be under the downloads category. Basically, you have to find a way to open the APK using Mobile VR Station. So, open this APK file. Once it is installed, go back into the website, and it is going to prompt you to visit this page. sidequestvr.com/account/settings and then link SideQuest, because it will give you a code when you open the SideQuest VR application. So after this APK is done installing, open the app and they are going to prompt you with a code, for example 123456, something else, and so on. Then when you visit this website, you will have to be signed into your account. So like I said before, this is the time where you need the account, and you just input the code that it gives you here. Once you input the code and you have your Quest 3 headset connected to your account, you can open the SideQuest application itself. So inside of the SideQuest VR app, so this is all being done on the Quest 3, look for QuestCraft. This is the Minecraft version developed for VR headsets. And when you find QuestCraft, choose the option to side load now. Let this process finish and open it up just like any other application or game. Finally, to finish all of this, go to microsoft.com/link, sign into your account, and input the code that they display here. Once again, this will prompt you to connect your account. So when you visit that website, microsoft.com/link, you input the code displayed inside of QuestCraft, and you allow access, you will be able to play. Your account will be displayed here at the top left. You should see your skin, and if everything looks okay, choose the option to play and enjoy Minecraft directly on the Quest headset. Now, before I end this video, I want to highlight that when I was looking at the channel metrics the other day, I noticed that only 83% of you are subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us bring you the best solutions to your problems, including this video. So consider subscribing. I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.